first video we of chapter trigonometrical ratio, chapter 22. We have discussed trigonometrical ratio as a sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B, cosec theta is equal to H by B, sec theta is equal to H by B, and finally cot theta is equal to B by B. Now sums, types of sums we'll discuss. So first type of sum we are going to discuss where a figure will be given, a right triangle will be drawn, and information will be provided like this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and you have to find out the value of sin A, or you have to find the value of sin C. This C. Sin C is equal to how much? So at first what we will do, we will find out this one. So here for this angle C, the 3 will behave as P, this will behave as H, and this will behave as B. So by Pythagoras formula, at first what we will do, we will find out the value of B. Means CB length we will find out. So CB length will be root over AC square minus AB square. So it will be root over 5 square minus this 3 square, that is equal to 25 minus 9. It will come out as 16. So that is equal to 4. Since unit provided here is centimeter, so it will be 4. Now you have to find out value of sin C. So sin C is equal to sin formula we know P by H. So P will be how much? AB, and H will be AC. So AB length is 3 by 5. No need of writing unit because trigonometric ratio is a pure ratio, it has no unit. If you have to find out cos C will be equal to B by H, cos theta is equal to B by H. So for this angle C, B is actually BC and H is AC. So BC is 4. BC we have calculated as 4 by 5. If we have to find out tan C, so this will be P by B. Tan theta I have already explained P by B. So P is how much? AB, and B is how much? BC. So AB is coming out as 3 by 4. If you have to find out cosec theta, it will be just reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec theta will be 5 by 3. If you have to find out sec theta, so sec theta is just inverse of cos theta. So cos C, sorry, we will write here cosec C, write sec C, that is equal to inverse of this one, converse 5 by 4, reciprocal ratio it is, and tan C, so cot C will come out as B by P, that is equal to 4. If it is asked how much is the value of sin A, for this angle A, P will be how much? BC. So write BC, and by H, P by H, so this will be AC. So it will come out as B we have calculated as 4 by 5. If cos A is to be calculated, so cos A will be B by H. On 4 angle A, B is how much? AB, and H is AC, so it will 3 by 5. If you have to find out tan A, so for this angle A, tan theta is equal to P by B. So for this angle A, P will be BC, and B will be how much? AB. So BC, this is 4 by 3. And if you have to find out cosec C, so it will be cosec A. So reciprocal of this one will be 5 by 4. If you have to find out sec A, So reciprocal of this one will be 5 by 3. And if you have to find out cot A, so it will be reciprocal of tan A, that is equal to 3 by 4. For a moment, stop the. Now second type of question will be कि in a right angled triangle, angle A is acute and tan A is equal to 5 by 12, and then find the remaining trigonometrical ratios. This one here means sin A, cos A, cosec A, sec A, cot A, and these values you have to find out. So write solution and write tan A. Tan A, how much we know? Tan is equal to P by B. So tan A is equal to P by B. So P by B, P is how much? 5 by 12. So we'll consider let P is equal to 5x. We cannot consider P is equal to 5. We'll consider 5x, and this is B is equal to 2x. And your duty is to find out H. So H we have to find out. So we'll use H is equal to root of Pythagoras formula. H is equal to P square plus B square. So it will come out as 5x whole square plus 12x whole square. So it will be how much? 25x square plus 144x square. That is equal to root over 169x square, which is actually 13x whole square. So your result will come out as 13x. Now since you have to find out rest of the trigonometric ratios, so we'll write sin A. Sin A is equal to P by H. P how much we have considered? 5x. And H how much we have got? 13x. So the answer will be 5 by 13. Then you have to find out cos A. So it is B by H. B how much we know? B know 12x. So it is 12x. And H now only we have calculated 13x. So x will cancel. So it will be 12 by 13. Tan A already know. Tan A is equal to 5 by 12. So cot A will be just opposite of tan A. That will come out as 12 by 5. Now you have to find out sin cosec A. So cosec A will be reciprocal of sin A. That is equal to 13 by 5. And you have to find out sec A. So sec A is equal to reciprocal of cos A. That is equal to 13 by 12. This way you will get all the answers.